Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to buy crypto on Trezor. First, open your Trezor Suite application and connect your Trezor device. This feature allows you to acquire various cryptocurrencies directly within the secure environment of your hardware wallet. Trezor Suite partners with reliable third-party services to facilitate these purchases, ensuring your new assets are sent straight to your self-custody. It's a convenient way to expand your digital portfolio while maintaining strong security. Before you begin, make sure your Trezor hardware wallet is properly connected and unlocked with Trezor Suite. You'll need a stable internet connection and a chosen payment method, such as a Visa or MasterCard credit card or a SEPA bank transfer. Keep in mind that most providers will require you to complete Know Your Customer, or KIC, verification by providing personal identification. This is a standard regulatory step for buying crypto through these services. Once ready, go to the Trade section in Trezor Suite and select the Buy tab. Here, you'll specify the cryptocurrency you want to buy and the amount you wish to spend. Trezor Suite will then present you with various offers from trusted third-party providers, allowing you to compare rates and choose the most suitable option. The smart trading engine helps find the best value, considering factors like payment method and exchange rates. After selecting an offer, carefully review all the transaction details, including any fees. Your Trezor device will display the receiving address for confirmation. Ensure it matches what you see in Trezor Suite. You will then be redirected to the chosen provider's website to complete your payment and any necessary identity verification. Once the payment is processed, your cryptocurrency will be sent directly to the secure custody of your Trezor hardware wallet.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.